Hey guys, welcome back to the part-time homestead. So I've been away for a while, a couple months to be exact, and I have surely neglected my bees. So today I got to go out and do an inspection, but I wanted to just say thank you to everybody who stuck around and stayed with the channel and supported me. And I promise you there's going to be a lot more content up and coming. I've had a lot of things going on around the homestead recently. I've just been super busy, and I know it's just excuses, but I guarantee you there's a lot more exciting content coming up. But today, since I just kind of wanted to chat with you for a minute, I wanted to also show you how I do my smoker, because when I first started keeping bees, smoker was an issue. It kept burning out on me, going out on me. It was hard to light. Deciding what to use was difficult. I watched all the YouTube videos. There was pine needles, paper, just all kinds of stuff. But what I've come to realize is that wood chips, these wood chips work really well. And you know, there's all different sizes here. So you got fine stuff and thicker stuff. And to get it started, I just use standard old paper. So let's get this going. Drop my paper in there. Get it burning a little bit, and then just throw some of this wood chips in there. It's been hot. You want to burn yourself. So a bunch of this little stuff goes in there. Yep, and gets going. And then I just try to find some bigger pieces once it gets started, and this will keep it burning for a lot longer. So then I start throwing the bigger pieces in there. Maybe a little bit more paper up here. Keep it going. There we go. Shoving these bigger pieces down in there. Oh yeah, there's a nice one. So since I'm going to be out with my bees for a while today, I need this thing to burn, smoke for a while, because like I said, it's been a minute since I've done an inspection. Yeah, that bucket's getting hot. Alright, so I think that's pretty good. I got it pretty full. And it's burning, so it's going to cover it up. I'm going to go with that. I didn't even need all this paper. Bee Smoker 101. Pine needles burned out too quick. Paper burns out too quick. Plus it's got toxins in it, and you don't want to use that. Like I said, got some good old-fashioned wood chips laying around your property. It's the way to go.